Hey guys, welcome back to STX London. This is STX Explorers, journey into the digital frontier. I'm your host, The Doc, and tonight I want to talk to you guys about ZeroAuthority and Trajan.app. So, in order to go to ZeroAuthority.xyz, you need to type in ZeroAuthority.xyz, search bar. That will bring you to it. Now, I don't even know where to start for ZeroAuthority. Zero.btc and HODLstacks are both madmen, and they just keep building stuff. Like, they are trying to make a decentralized reputation exchange protocol. They're not trying, they're actually doing it, I should say. That's cool. It shows my stacks balance. So my stacks balance for this account is so low right now because I've just been fucking FOMOing into fucking shit like Rue and FOMOing into like other meme and shit coins, as you would say, and definitely snagged up some NFTs within the last 24 hours. Don't worry, that balance will get back up, trust me. But, you know, sometimes you gotta spend your stacks on stuff in the ecosystem. You know, can't hodl it all. But trust me, I try. So, for example, you can come down like let's explore their gig marketplace. Super cool. So here you can offer people work in exchange. Like, let's say we want to go, you can view his profile, right? He's looking to be a tour guide, right? I can go here and I can offer him payment, right? This is bigger pick, by the way, so I'm just gonna offer him a payment, right? And it's gonna be education. Speak of the devil. Hold on 1 second. Bear with me, guys. How do I pause it? Actually, I'm not even going to pause it. Hey. Let me call you back in about 10 minutes. I'm running through this Zero Authority thing for the STX London YouTube. But you might receive an offer on Zero Authority of some like low stacks or something as a tour guide, just to show people how this works. Yeah. Alright. The man himself. Funny how things work like that. I'm not even going to cut it. I was going to try and cut it. Not even going to cut it. So, here, details, scope, more than 50 characters. For example, I'm just going to write so for the amount, literally, I'm gonna give him one, two. Amount 1, start date, end date. Cool. You can change the start date, end date here. The amount, I guess I'm a little confused. This is my first time using this, guys. So if you guys are using this, or watching me use this. Bear with me because I've never used the gig marketplace itself. I think what these guys are building is really unique. So just bear with me. This is going to be a little bit longer of a video, but yeah, we're cool. Start, end date. Please insert amount greater than. So we're going to just say 3 stacks. Please make offer at least 21 days. So they do have requirements here. So we're going to go here, and apparently that's not 21 days yet. There we go. We're a month out. So with fees, creating fixed contract, submit offer, right? And then you're going to go here and you're going to submit that offer. And then on his end, I don't have a way to show you, but on his end, he can receive and accept that offer. So now we'll take you through here, the docs for ZeroDAO. You can see their document, you can see their vision. So their vision is summed up right here, right? But if you've ever heard Zero talk about ZeroAuthority.xyz, you'll understand their vision is exactly this, just on a much greater scale. It's insane. Meet core team. So, core team behind this is going to be XYZ.btc, James or Hodl Stacks, Algorithm, Sushil, right? And then we're going to check out the important contributors. You got Kurt G, you got Kenny the Rogers, you got Maria Verse, you got Benaya, and then how you can contribute to the DAO, right? So that page is there. I won't read through it all. We're just gonna, but you can vote on proposals. You can contribute to the DAO by purchasing actual Zero Authority tokens through Stack Swap, which I actually have some of those. Like I said, I got a lot wrapped up in other tokens inside the Stacks community. It's all the same. Not really, but kinda. You can vote on proposals, you can submit proposals. The gig marketplace, then the Trajan endorsement, which we will get through next. So we're gonna, where is this? We're gonna go back to ZeroDAO Authority, and you can look here. Really cool decentralized gig marketplace. You got all these people, Teflon. You got Jackman Switch. Let's see what find me on. So you got all these profiles set up, ready to go, and you can link everything from your sigil, your console, your newsletter, your GitHub, your website. You can just link everything. It's really cool. These guys did some amazing work, and it's just something I felt like you guys needed to see. And you can see like all the gigs being made and accepted right now for different amounts. D-Grant podcast, design, NFT, newsletter, right? So design, someone 105 stacks, 543. It's cool seeing people utilize these, you know what I mean? And I believe we can check into them and see which each gig did. So for example, this is a D-Grant gig. So it's pretty cool. I'm just saying, you know what I mean? And it's all verifiable. Like all these gigs, you can see all this proof of work here. It's beautiful. You can follow Trajan, Zero Authority on Twitter at ZeroAuthority.xyz. Or actually now it's at RXP ZeroAuthority. DAO. They are right here. RXP ZeroAuthority DAO. So you can follow them here. And now we're going to jump over to Trajan. So we are here, and my homepage looks kind of like this. Endorsements, you know, you have all these endorsements people send out, which are actual NFTs that you put in their wallet. You can issue endorsements. You can see your network. So these are people within your network that you've connected to, etc. And then you can come over here, you can issue an endorsement. So a Trajan endorsement is a non-transferable NFT. It consists of text and an image. I've actually sent some out in the past. I've tested this out, and it's pretty cool. They have to obviously accept your endorsement, but you can browse opportunities. So the Opportunity Hub, pretty empty, but there you can post an opportunity. So it's almost like they just together they're working on something greater, and it's pretty cool that they're doing this just for the community's use. All of this is free to use, guys. You don't have to buy Zero Authority tokens to use this. You don't have to buy anything from Trajan to use this. These guys built this shit for free for us to use, and it's pretty cool. So we can see different organizations. I can create an organization. I'll create one for STX London. And then in order to do that, let me pull this from just our headline. I don't remember it by heart, but it's good just to stay on brand. You know what I mean? So we're going to just pull that and drop that in here, right? Or wait, hold on. Boom. And create. Okay, we're gonna try it. I don't know what that's all about. So we're gonna see if maybe it was. So we gotta go through this all again. I'm sorry, guys. We're gonna test it out one last time. Because if it's something on my end, I'd like to know before I bring it to their attention. So we're gonna go with. But you can create that there. I'm gonna bring that up to auto. But yeah, as you can see, sent endorsements, and yeah. So Trajan's pretty cool. So is ZeroAuthority.xyz. All I can say is you should probably peep both of them. Trajan.app, ZeroAuthority.xyz. You guys have a wonderful night, and we'll see you next time. That's a wrap.